guys, so I want to show you today how I set up a small DIY home brooder. Nothing fancy. It is a dollar store bought tote, even Walmart. Very easy to set up. This is what I have used in the past. It's very affordable, and for me it has worked. I continue to use it for my day-old babies, and then about a week after hatch they go into my outside bigger brooder. But I use this for the first week of any baby chick or baby quail. This will ensure that they're eating properly, everything's going good, they're growing. And like I said, it is very easy and simple to set up. So here we go. Okay, so this is my setup, and I will post the dimensions of this tote on here so that it'll give you kind of an idea of how big this tote is. The way that I did the top with the wire is I just used the drill. I drilled the holes in. I put the zip ties to basically hold the wire down, and then I hung my heat light, and I actually secured it. So what I did was I just did the zip tie to make sure that this does not fall. It's not going to slide. It's not going to go anywhere. It is secure. And then I'm going to take this top off. And like I said, this is my personal DIY brooder. I've used this for many hatches. I have several other bigger brooders that I also use. These are just for my day to week old babies. I do keep them inside. I want to make sure that they're eating, they're drinking, their overall health is good. So the way that I set their brooder is I offer them a hot side, and then I also offer them a cool side. The way that I do their feed and water is I put their food and water both in the center. The reason I do that is because if they need the heat, they still have access to their food and water. If they get too hot and they need to come to the cool side, they will also still have access to food and water. These little guys just hatched 2 days to a day, and so today is their first day in the brooder. I have, I think, 4 baby Saramas, 2 light Brahmas, and 11 buff Orpingtons in this little batch. They're all doing very well. So this is, like I said, this is the way that I do it. Some people do it different. This is what works for me, and I hope this helps you guys for the ones that want to do just a little home DIY brooder.